Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change keyboard and mouse controls in this game. So to do that you have to return to the main menu either by pressing escape during game and selecting return to main menu, or just by starting the game and selecting options, then find mouse and keyboard controls section, open it, and to change the keyboard layout you have to go to either key layout new style or key layout legacy style, depending on which style you play or you are playing. Then once you select the style you have to switch this value to custom 1. For example, you have 2 custom modes. Select one of them and then press Z letter in order to change the layout. Then you have to select the key that you want to change, for which you want to change the action, and once you select it, either using the left key of your mouse or F or space or enter button, you have to tap the button that you want to use instead of it. And then in order to apply settings, all you have to do is press the right key of your mouse or escape, and if you want to restore default settings, just press R in this menu, then click OK. Now once you press right key of your mouse and leave this menu, the changes will be applied automatically, and that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.